Hello everyone. Everything I'm about to explain has been verified by the experts working here at the shop, so relax. This does have a solution. If you see the message, exhaust filter overloaded, drive to clean on your Ford, take a breath. Don't panic just yet. This doesn't mean your vehicle is dying or that you're about to spend a fortune. In most cases, it's simply your car saying, "Hey, I need a little help cleaning myself." To make it easy to understand, your Ford has a filter called a DPF that traps soot from the exhaust. That filter cleans itself when you drive at a steady speed for a while. The problem happens when the vehicle is mostly used for short trips, city driving, heavy traffic, or constant stop and go. In those conditions, the filter never gets hot enough to clean itself, so it slowly fills up until the car complains. And here's the key part. This message doesn't appear out of nowhere. The system actually tries to clean itself first, and when it can't, it alerts you so you can help it finish the job. Now, here's what many mechanics agree on. The easiest and most common fix is simply driving at a steady speed for a while. No short trips. Ideally, take it on the highway for about 20 to 30 minutes, keeping a consistent speed. You don't need to drive fast. You just need steady engine operation so the filter can burn off the buildup. A lot of people say that while driving like this, the message actually disappears on its own because the system realizes the cleaning process is working. It's kind of like clearing your throat. Once it's done, everything goes back to normal. But here's the catch. If you only use the car for quick errands or short commutes, this problem can keep coming back. The filter can't clean itself just by starting and stopping the engine. It needs that longer drive to do its job properly. Now, what if you already tried that and the message won't go away? That's when other factors come into play. Sometimes the exhaust pressure sensor sends incorrect data, or the system can't complete the regeneration cycle and gets confused. In those cases, many mechanics use a scanner to force a regeneration or check how full the filter actually is. There are also situations where the filter becomes too clogged. When that happens, the system protects itself and won't allow normal regeneration anymore. That's when a professional cleaning or forced regeneration is needed, but that usually only happens when the warning has been ignored for a long time. One important thing many people don't realize: ignoring this message for too long can get expensive. If the filter becomes completely blocked, the vehicle can go into limp mode, and replacing the DPF is not cheap at all. So the bottom line is this: your car isn't broken. It's just asking for a proper drive so it can clean itself. Most of the time, a good highway run solves the problem and you're back on the road like nothing ever happened.